Hello all and welcome to Wow Crochet Designs. My name is Mary and today's video is going to be fantastic. Why? It's going to be short and sweet as well because my regulars and quite a few of my newbies would already know that today is the day that we announce the winners to the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. But it's bigger than that. We have more things happening today as well. We have two bits of news today. One is on the 2nd of March, we are visiting Tandy Farm. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because this blanket right here was made a couple of years ago. It might have been about a year and a half ago. And it was made using Tandy Farm yarn, direct from the farmer himself. What? So we are visiting Tandy Farms on the 2nd of March. But the biggest news is, we have a website up and running as of today. Very exciting, very, very exciting. Now the website is still in, I still need to do work on it, but the most important thing is it's up and running and you guys can head over and have a look at it. Before I continue, I'm going to let you know all the information. On the website at the moment, what we have is a lot of my items already made and ready for sale. There is one free pattern at the moment. The patterns are coming, guys. Be patient. There will be free patterns, there will be paid patterns, there will be all sorts of fun stuff happening on the website. But at the moment, it's still in the process. However, it's up and running, so you can go and have a look if you like. And I will give you the details to the website right now. www.wowcrochetdesigns.com. That is our new website, guys. That's all you need to do. Type that into your little URL thingy up the top, www.wowcrochetdesigns.com. Head over to our website and check it out. But as you know, right now we're going to be announcing the winners to the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. 3 winners, 3 people will win the prizes today. Yay! And that's it, guys. I'm not going to talk anymore. We're just going to get on with the actual winners of the giveaway. This is going to be very exciting. I'm already shaking. Look at me. I always do that when I'm ready to do giveaways. I'm like, ah! But before I do the giveaway, my regulars would know that I never do a giveaway without popping this guy on first. It's the lucky hat. And we're going to start off with, obviously, prize number 1. Good luck, everyone, and this is the prize. Oh my gosh, how cool is that prize? Prize number 1, and the winner is, are you ready? Go. Alrighty guys, here we go. We need to get the shareable link from here. Okay, there it is. Go up to that random comment guy thing and press paste. Yay. Filter, duplicate users. Straight to comments. Oh, I wonder how many comments we got. Let's have a look. And 105 comments, guys. Oh my gosh, that's heaps. That is heaps. And away we go. This is for prize number 1. And prize number 1 goes to Ghost Hacker with Scottish Basil. And she says, hi Mary, I've been a subscriber since 2018. Your first subscriber at Wow. Well, not exactly, but close to it. My crocheting has improved. Yay. Thank you for the opportunity for letting me enter the competition. Well, Ghost Hacker, which I believe is Angela, one of our regulars, and she's definitely a regular because that's a very long time ago. And you have won first prize, Angela. Congratulations. Prize number 1 is gone. Now we're going to get on with showing you the prize first of prize number 2. Let's get on with winner number 2. Yay! Alright, we're going to refresh the page. If I can keep the camera still, that would be great. Here we go. Alright. And we're going to pop the link. Yes, filter, and oh, these commercials are driving me batty. And shh, did I say that out loud? All right, here we go. We got the comments, and remember, guys, this is for prize number 2, and the winner is Plant Mix. And Plant Mix says, "Congrats again for winning 10,000 subs. I've been a sub for about 1 year now. Good luck, everyone. Plant Mix, you are our prize number 2. Yay!" Fantastic. And you know what? Here is prize number 3. And even that is a big prize. What? So prize number 3 is our final prize today. Good luck, everyone. And away we go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Nearly there. We're going to filter duplicate users. We're going to get comments. Wait, because it won't work without it. All right, here we go. All right. And this is for the final prize. Prize number 3 goes to Family Clan. Wow, and Family Clan says, "I'm a new subscriber, but I've watched quite a few of your videos. The reason I subscribed is that I love your energy. Love Tim Tams. Thank you for the lovely giveaway." And I love Tim Tams too, but don't tell anyone. Well, don't tell my diet. Family Clan, you have won prize number 3. And there you have it, guys. Congratulations, Ghost Hacker, Plant Mix, and Family Clan. I'm very, very pleased for you all. Thank you so much for entering the giveaway. Thank you so much for anyone who has watched our videos over the past 3 to 4 years. And you know what, guys? Don't despair. I do these giveaways all the time. Maybe not as big as that one. Well, it was huge. But it was the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. And oh my gosh, 10,000, that's a milestone for us, and it's very big, and we're very overwhelmed at the moment. And before we go, guys, just a second, I'm not gonna edit this, guys. I'm just leaving it. Just a second time to let you know, Tandy Farms, we'll be visiting them on the 2nd of March. We'll be having the interview with Tandy Farms, with the wonderful Tom and his family there at Tandy. And so that's going to be great, very exciting. And also, our website, as you can see, is up and running. www.wellcrochetdesigns.com. Check it out and be patient, guys. The patterns are coming. They're just going to take a very long time, but at least it's there, so you can head over there, and every now and then I'll let you know when a pattern is up, whether it's a free pattern or whether it's a paid pattern. I will keep informing you of all the patterns that are coming up. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Mary. You've been watching Well Crochet Designs, and ciao for now.